AVIX Method is the core module in AVIX Suite. This module is used to document the shop floor processes, analyze and manage time data, and create work instructions for operators. The data created in AVIX Method is also widely used in our other AVIX modules. AVIX Method allows you to create your processes using video analysis or your bill of materials. You can also import processes from other systems. Once the processes are defined, you can add information such as time studies or value-adding or non-value-adding analysis. Complete the information by adding pictures, parts, tools, and other relevant details. You can then generate a digital or printed work instruction, whatever you prefer. AVIX Method is a master for all process-related information. Our module gives you one single data source, allowing the engineers to focus on what is important rather than the administrative work of constantly updating and organizing processes, data, and documentation. Users interested in FMEA, line balancing, setup time optimization, work instructions, ergonomic analysis, and other process-related improvements will all benefit from using AVIX Method.